Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sun, Moon or Rising. This is a week where there is great joy and fun indicated in your friendships, and also something sudden and unexpected happening with romance. So there might be some kind of temporary setback in your life, but the good news is you are going to overcome it. There's triumph there over obstacles. Now, whether that is to do with friendships and with this joy that is going to ensue, or whether this is to do with romance, kind of breaking a drought, a temporary drought. It does look as though someone is going to come riding in with quite a bit of passion towards you, or this might be you deciding to ride out and make your feelings known to someone else. Although this isn't really feelings, the wands are passion, excitement, energy, magnetism. So there is a lot of attraction energy that is moving here towards you, or you're the one offering it. Now it looks like there is a bit of work to do here, and this might be where the temporary kind of obstacles crop up, the temporary situation there. But remember, you will overcome the hard work. These cards seem to be cautioning you though to learn the lessons from the past by not being too hasty here. Don't be impatient. So remember where you've tripped up in the past and heed those warnings. Don't go, say, leaping into bed as soon as someone shows interest in you. That might not be the best course of action at this time round. Whatever the lessons are romantically from your past, pay attention. You do not want to repeat a negative cycle. So let's take a closer look. What is the nature of the changes or the joy in your friend circle this week that the universe wants you to know about? Well, it seems like something unexpected will happen. This is my wild card. And here you are, maybe feeling a bit lonely, maybe feeling a bit out of the picture. Maybe you haven't caught up with a lot of friends in a while, but that is going to suddenly change. It feels like an invitation to do stuff, to hang out. And it will have you feeling very abundant, very satisfied. And it's a very enriching kind of energy. It just feels chilling out, really just being on the same wavelength, and it's not frantic energy. It's something really meaningful, but it's going to really cheer you up is what I'm picking up. Because we did get the Sun card out from this deck to give the overall energy, which is joy, childlike joy and satisfaction. There's no more cards they want to give me for that. So it's just like, yay, watch out for nice times with friends who mean a lot to you, showing up maybe in unexpected ways. Okay, let's look at romance, because that did seem to be something very unexpected coming out of the woodwork for you in terms of your 5th house of romance and children and creativity. Venus there with the keyword being affair. So this could be just the keyword. It feels like it could be something quite secret. So yeah, something that is like, whoa, I had no idea. And yes, writing in quite passionately here. So what do you need to know about this romantic situation and that comes along with this sudden energy, this out of the blue tower moment? Look, because you've got this out of the blue energy for friendship as well, maybe it's a friend showing sudden interest in you. I'm kind of hearing yes, so that's interesting. What do you need to know? What more do you need to know about this love affair, apart from the fact that it's going to be very passionate, but this is F-boy energy. This is very short attention span, so you want to be a little bit mindful about that. So there is a bit of work to do here with the 10 of Wands, same suit, passion. There's a little bit of work to do to ground this still, but not much, because this is the 10. It's kind of nearly finished. But you are just recapping, being reminded not to be, not to ignore the lessons of your past, and not to be hasty, not to just want results really quickly. Be patient. Well, for some of you, there might be 2 energies in the mix coming at you. But for some of you, this is the same person. So take it as it resonates. We have the King of Pentacles here next to the Emperor. And this is the King of Kings. So somebody who embodies all 4 energies, whereas the King of Pentacles is someone solid, grounded. They could be an earth sign, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, much like yourselves. However, yeah, whether it's the same person or different person, this is the chance for you to end a cycle and begin a new cycle. So this is just another warning not to forget all the lessons that you've learned from the past, not to make the same mistakes. This is your chance to end a repeating cycle and start something new, graduate to the next level of relationships. That is what the universe wants you to pay attention to. There is victory here, and this is the Queen of Pentacles, which is obviously the perfect counterpart to the King of Pentacles. So that's masculine energy of action, the feminine energy of receiving and magnetically attracting. This is saying you have the ability to step into your royal power as an earth sign, no matter which one you identify as. They're both here. So, this is your chance to elevate. And there is victory here, and there's very sweet emotional energies. These are both sixes. So I don't know if the number 6 means anything to you. You can also look that up in numerology. But that is very sweet nostalgic energy here. So it could be somebody who has had a crush on you since forever. And yeah, this is success and kind of popularity, all eyes on you. So it's a really good feeling. There's this nice mix of heart and energy, passion energy here. So you want to make sure you get both. You don't just want the victory in the moment of the sexual satisfaction. You want the emotional content as well. You do want the emotional connection. They both need to be there. So don't take one without the other. You want both. That seems to be the message for you. So I'm just going to finish up with a few more cards for the energy for the week for you. Wow, this is beautiful. This is the Circle of Eternal Joy. Timelessness, the dance of life. And really this speaks to me of this world card where you are ending one dance and starting a new dance. Because life is a dance, it's a series of different dances eternally. So this is very beautiful. And look, you are about to shine. There is just so much. You are about to graduate is what it feels like, to some new level. And it's just a real elevation in your experience. So take the time to breathe out, pause, don't rush things. There is plenty of time here, and you are being reminded to hold your vision. That is the fixed moon. So stay firm. Don't be swept off your feet by this dude rushing in on the horse. No matter how passionate it feels, you really want to take things quite slowly and make sure it is exactly what you want and what you know you deserve. So stay true to your vision. Hold your vision. Really, you've got to hold out for the emotion, for the love, for the sentiment here, not just the passion. So I hope that helps you, my darlings. What a beautiful, exciting week. If you would like your own personal reading on this or any other topic, go to my website, abundancelovejoy.com. Meanwhile, this is Sarah wishing you much abundance, love, and joy.